Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
What's up, Zendu Nation? This is Dan Whitmer, and today we're doing a short, nothing fancy kind of workout. Dude, Zendu Nation again, thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing Brandon and myself and other people that are in this community. It's been amazing to see how many different people from all different kinds of countries have been joining the Zendu fitness movement and getting happier and healthier with the jump rope and your body. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to receive more of these free weekly workouts and just the best content surrounding how to get fit and happier with the jump rope. If you guys want the jump rope that we use in this video, go ahead and click the link in the description to get yours. Let's get into it.
All right, Zendu Nation, what's going on, everybody? Let's get the energy levels up. Let's get ready to jump some rope and burn some fat. I'm psyched up today, guys. I'm pumped. What can I say? So first off, guys, jump rope, high knees. Just go at your max intensity. I don't need to say it. I don't need to repeat that again and again. You guys should understand by now that if you want your body to change and build muscle and lose fat, you have to force it to. You got to push it to that point. All right, guys, next up, push-ups. Now, it's super important here that you keep your elbows in so that you're not hurting your shoulder sockets, okay? So come and do as many as you can. I'd shoot for somewhere between 15 or 20. I think I get like 16 during these sets, but that's a good marker to shoot for. Good, guys. Up next, we got regular bounce fast. And just remember, guys, if you cannot do any of these tricks, just do regular bounce as fast as you possibly can, because that's what's going to help you burn the most amount of fat, not necessarily being able to do all these tricks. Good, guys. Spider-Man push-ups are next. Now this one's a little bit tougher because as you're bringing your knee up to your elbow, you want to try and maintain a flat back. So try and take this a little bit slower. You should only be able to do about maybe 7 to 10 of these during the set. All right, people, let's go. We got a little boxer move here, so we're just going jump rope side swipe. I'm just swinging the rope back over my left side, then to my right side before opening it back up and coming down underneath. If you guys haven't already, check out our jump rope tutorials playlist where I can show you how to break down each one of these moves into smaller steps. All right, guys, next, push-ups. Last set of push-ups here. Okay, so we got a lot of chest in today. You should be feeling nice and burning after this, guys. Remember, this is only about a 30-minute workout if you repeat it a full 5 times. So get in, get intense, and get out of there. All right, guys, jump rope fast skip. Second to last exercise. We're going for speed here. Again, this is a workout to burn the most amount of fat possible. So I'm trying to completely gas myself in these 20 seconds, no matter if I'm doing push-ups or jumping rope. All right, last one, double unders. Finally, burn it out, guys. If you can't do this, go ahead and just do regular bounce as fast as you can. Otherwise, I want to see you guys going fast with the double unders. And as always, if you guys want more of these workouts and you like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and also check out more of our videos.
Because our YouTube channel has been growing kind of fast, and we want to continue the fast growth of our channel. Thanks to you, and it. Please, sorry guys, can you, if you get a chance, subscribe. It would mean the world to us.
subscribe, share, like.